Mga kaibigan, good morning to all of you. That I am here today rendering duty as a tolls of the government. Once again, good morning at the same time to all the people around the earth, especially I am so glad to be with you right now, mga kaibigan. And also in different races, different cultures, different beliefs. With all due respect, all the people around the earth, thank you so much for watching my video. And also mga kaibigan, for the people of the Middle East countries, United States of America, Russia, China, and the other community around the universe. Thank you so much, mga kaibigan. That I am considered as a Filipino citizen of my country here in the Philippines. Once again, good morning. I am a dedicated Filipino servant, or I am dedicated a servant of a Filipino people here in my country, and the steadfast to enforcer of the law in the Republic of the Philippines as an instrument of the government, as an instrument of our government and protector of every Filipino people. I uphold the justice with integrity, without fear, favor, or bias, in regardless of your wealth, power, social status of individuals. In the eyes of law that I serve, everyone is equal. So that is my principle. This duty, it is not a job. It is a calling of a sacred responsibility entrusted to me by the God and by the nation here in the Philippines. I never back down in the face of intimidations or corruptions here in the country. I am not afraid of anyone, no matter how influential they may be. If I am removed from my post or my service for my standing what is right, and then I never been afraid about that. I would rather serve balot in my community with pride than betray the people's trust. I live simply, and honestly. Whatever na Buddhist salary I earn, I use to meet my daily needs and to build a better life through the honest work and the honest earned money. And even in the small businesses, I have multiplied my humble earned money and earnings to build my home and to acquire a vehicle that I use in the service of my duty as a tolls of the government. If you are attempting, or if you attempt to hinder from fulfilling my oath of duty to uphold the law, the constitutional conditions for the benefits of Filipino people, for the benefits of the law, know this, I will stand my ground and face you head on. I know I walk with the path of the truth and the justice. I am forever grateful with God for these missions He has given to me. All glory and praise God be Him in all whole life. So thank you so much, mga kaibigan. If you are hindering as a tolls of the government with the truth and the integrity and the justice without the bias that I am serving right now, and then I will face you in head on Meaning to say, in Bisaya, banggaon ta jud ka.